So I just want to tell you, I've been a huge fan of Blackpink, and I'm 9 years old. I've known you literally since I've been 7 or 6. So yeah, that's pretty young. And also, I love your video that you just made, Abatap. It's like my favorite song right now. And I love Sabrina, so that's a huge difference. So I really want to just show you that I can sing and that I listened to it about 40 or 50 times. So, by the way, Bruno Mars, Dad loves your music. Here we go. Just meet me at the Abatap, Abatap, Abatap,